On my way to my Upunne yesterday,
I came across
two little shits actually. They talk unprintable things about each other's negi. And I would love to tell you that I was the model citizen and stopped them from killing themselves, beating themselves to death. But I did not. I just walked past them and they greeted me in Zafa as easy walking, Abulom walking, yeah, so Muhammad's come and survive the day when had the wise enough to prevent themselves from fighting to death. So you probably caught this video with Iron Fulugu.
What do you think is the most controversial of all of your convictions?
Jesus Christ, I be as the idolize ya. Nyabunwoke, no change more of your own de anjo. Ofeke.
Why is that a conviction?
If one were Messiah complex. Messiah complex is psychology issue. It's a madness. It's a mental disorder where you feel like you want to save people. And even in the DBI now, many of them were that Messiah complex, savior complex. It's in a happy Zowa. Who the are you? He Jewish nature is over. Only in case you know be over 2,000 years ago or whenever that narration, my current narration cover, I am the reality. In Africa, in the name of Christ. If you
so he's not that here and he does not deserve all the reverence in your books.
Respect to him for his own legacy. Onye na moya, money anolo na meeting moya. Or if I befriend many of our DBRs, they'll just come and convince themselves that they are here to save the world. Then they leave their primary responsibility. But even after that, his legacy of coming to say that he wants to save people, worse things have been done in his name.
And are still going on in his name.
And he has not saved the person that he came to save, the world that he came to save. You can't save the world.
I want to finally make the video that I mentioned I was going to make that day. So yes, Jesus bo Ofeke by definition of the word. Someone with Messiah complex for one. Igbo Kwetan. More now Pudiochi. I agree with you. Igbo Kwetan no metal bulu. You can't save somebody else at peril of your own life. The man some years ago that died trying to save some lady in Abuja who probably does not even know his name till date cannot save the world. You can't save the world at peril of yourself is what I meant actually. My uncle who died trying to save an Abatete who died during the Civil War but not in the war, trying to save an Abatete lady who the military police people were bullying. Everybody who got hurt, got maimed, got locked up in jail, trying to be a hero, cannot save the world. The problem, in fact, my uncle was not buried for 55 years. Or in fact, give me my fucking glory. More, spearheaded by more. But yeah, pushes it. Can't give him in burial after 55 years when he died being a hero. And tomorrow everybody goes back to their shit. You are not special. It's called the Messiah complex. It's a human nature feeling. It starts from your ego. Who the hell are you? Someone that is indulging and allowing vain hoes hang around him. The typical pastor obsessed hoes, the daddy Geo daughter hoes, the NSPD hoes, allowing them, indulging them and trying to save them. You can't save the hoes. Don't save all the hoes. All the hoes are not for saving from. Cut the hoes off my G. Come with water. History doesn't repeat itself, human nature does, and Daddy Geo obsessed, prophet obsessed hoes are always going to exist. More Kevin. No, but if I no. Each one, Jamie Gonisi, as many as your Ikenga can nurture. As you can nurture, not just Usapeleke, just want to marry all the ladies in the world. Nurture because you are going to be the Akajofor of their resume, so make sure you can nurture them equally. Someone that is amassing gang, including his eventual betrayer, and not investing in his one person. And if you want to amass gang, be a mafia manager, be fucking brutal, be Mikel Arteta, not being a fucking sheep talking about, I know one nigga is gonna sell me out, but it's the plan of my pops, so it's chill. Fuck off, nigga, sell them off, sell them out first. No, I agree to you. No, someone that is teaching the world how to be better for free, dropping free nuggets. Eh? Make them pay, my nigga. You're not even collecting New Testament royalties. Make them pay, guy. BJZ 9.99 and thank you very much. Fuck that divine love shit, guy. You could have had an ultra-modern mountain, an ultra-modern mansion on Jerusalem mountain with $1 billion in fucking gold, silver, and fucking frankincense, guy, to buy Conan barbarian, highly trained Conan guerrilla barbarians, or all the fuck with your security forces then to fight Herod, Pharisees, Sadducees, or the fucking masses led by 50 Cent, of course, who want to take your bread and crucify you. America's disrespect for me. Well, yeah, if he was now an Ofeke, he would have used mutual powerful allies to settle with Herod, Pharisees, Sadducees, or politics now. Conan guerrilla barbarian seals can handle the mad socialist hordes if they come within 1,000 feet of your castle. 5, assuming that whole biblical narration is even real, somebody that is blaming somebody else, even to the point of his own demise, for his own outcomes. Talking about, why have you forsaken me? Nigga, what? Fucking who own your outcomes, man. I thought that was like the divine plan. Did your Father in heaven run you streets? Cause what is that shock? Was he supposed to pull up last minute with chariots of fire and swiftly whisk you to an island in Africa? An evergreen island in Africa, far away from your persecutors. Is that not bordering on delusions of grandeur? This is who you all are idolizing. I don't have a problem with how he decides to live his life, right? Or how anybody decides to live their life, because everybody, they make some questionable decisions, right? What I have a problem with is Africa idolizing an Ofeke foreigner. That's why the whole Africa is fucked, living and learning by the wrong shit, so that the neo-colonialist and fresh-faced working boys on pulpits stay cashing out. Ofeke for Jesus. Choose your idols carefully, guys. Choose your idols intentionally. Gobamoge. Check out Holy Ezmezu, my song for Igomo, and you might also like Eguya.
And Ofeke.
How would they do you? And you don't know why you're fumbling until you find yourself in prisons. Irikiri.